from thermodynamics under engineering sciences and allied subjects. Good morning everyone. So this is week 2, session 4, half marathon sub 2 training. Takbo tayo, 7 kilometers bago tayo pumasok sa work. Let's go! 1K, 3K. Okay, 7 kilometers. Muntik na akong mag-DNF. Nag-struggle tayo sa last 2K. But at least, we finish. Small wins. Okay, ano nga ba si calorie? From thermodynamics under engineering sciences and allied subjects, calorie is the unit of heat. And heat is the form of energy. Therefore, calorie is our source of energy coming from the foods. It is the capability of our body to move, to work, and to survive our daily routine. Less calories, less energy. Eh di maganda pala sir kapag araw-araw calorie surplus para mas energetic. Depende, balikan mo yung discussion natin ng previous sessions. Good morning!